In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in your Guardian glass break detector. You may need a step stool or ladder to reach your glass break detector. Please note, depending on the model, it may look different than the one used for demonstration in this video, and you may be replacing more than one battery. Before getting started, first go to customercare.guardianprotection.com and log into your account. Select System Info on the left-hand side, and then select Test My System. Locate the glass break detector with the low battery. Then, locate and press the finger taps on the top and bottom of the glass break detector to remove the cover. Depending on the device, you may need a screwdriver to remove the locking screw before you can remove the cover. Once the device is opened, examine the batteries for any abnormalities. If there are no abnormalities, remove the old batteries. Install the new batteries while paying attention to polarity. Place the cover back onto the mounting plate by lining up the top first, and then pressing the bottom half into place until you hear a click. The light on the device may flash for a period of time. Now that the battery has been replaced, be sure to test your system and confirm the signal was received before having the system removed from test mode. For assistance, please call 1-800-PROTECT or go to customercare.guardianprotection.com.